Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Crochet Like Pro. Today you will learn how to make a pretty and beautiful bouquet. Firstly, you pick up the green yarn and make total 8 chains. After making chain, you insert the hook into the yarn and grab the yarn and pull through all two. Okay. Then after insert the hook, grab the yarn and pull through two and pull through two. Repeat this process to the end of the chain. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through two and pull through two. Then insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through two and pull through two. This is the process. You follow up to the last. Now the first side of leaf is ready. Repeat this process to the second side. After that, tie a knot and don't cut the excess yarn. Now pick up the second green yarn and make a magic ring and insert the hook, grab the yarn, make one chain, then insert the hook, grab the yarn and other chain and pull through two. Make a slip knot, make one chain, insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through two. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through two. Total you make 12 loops. And if you want the full tutorial of how to make a star, then you watch the my previous videos. After making a star, pick up the red yarn and start making a rose. Firstly, you make total 50 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 49 and 50. Now 1, 2, 3. You insert the hook in the third. Grab the yarn, pull through two, pull through two. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through two, pull through two. Repeat this process until you reach the last, and at last make a slip stitch. Now it's time to make a petals. Make 3 chains. Now insert the hook to the same stitch. Grab the yarn, pull through two, pull through two. Insert the hook to the same stitch. Grab the yarn, pull through two and pull through two. Now make a one chain, insert the hook and tight it. Now petals are ready, and if you want part 2, I'll upload it Monday. Easy crochet bouquet. Thank you.